The alluring Phalaenopsis bellina, a fragrant friend for your home. As a lover of all things beautiful, I was instantly captivated by the Phalaenopsis bellina. This orchid isn't just another pretty face. It boasts a captivating citrusy scent that fills the room with a touch of the tropics. But beyond its initial allure, I wanted to know more about this orchid's temperament. Would it grace my home for weeks or months? How much TLC would it require to thrive? After delving into the world of Phalaenopsis bellina, I'm excited to share what I've learned. This article will be your one-stop guide to caring for this fragrant beauty, from ensuring long-lasting blooms to finding the perfect one for your collection. Does Phalaenopsis bellina stay in bloom a long time? The good news is that Phalaenopsis bellina is a champion bloomer. Unlike some orchids that put on a short-lived floral display, this orchid can reward you with its star-shaped blossoms for months on end. Individual flowers may last for 6 to 8 weeks, but the magic lies in the plant's sequential blooming habit. New flowers open one after another on the same flower spike, extending the floral display for a remarkable 3 to 4 months. Here's the trick. To encourage this extended blooming, it's crucial to provide the right care. Proper watering, light, and fertilization are key to keeping your Phalaenopsis bellina happy and blooming profusely. How to care for Phalaenopsis bellina. While Phalaenopsis bellina isn't fussy, it does appreciate a consistent routine. Here's how to create a haven for your fragrant friend. Light. Think dappled sunlight. Imagine your orchid nestled in the rainforest canopy, receiving filtered light. Avoid direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Watering. Unlike some thirsty houseplants, Phalaenopsis bellina prefers to dry out slightly between waterings. The key is to focus on the roots. When the silvery white velamen, the spongy outer layer of the roots, turns a grayish-green, it's time to water. Soak the pot thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain freely. Avoid leaving your orchid sitting in water. Humidity. Mimicking its rainforest origins, Phalaenopsis bellina appreciates moderate humidity levels, around 50 to 60%. Grouping your orchid with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Temperature. This orchid thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near drafts or heating vents, which can cause stress. Fertilization. During the active growing season, spring and summer, a diluted orchid fertilizer applied every 2 to 3 weeks can give your Phalaenopsis bellina a boost. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated specifically for orchids. Where to buy Phalaenopsis bellina? Finding your perfect Phalaenopsis bellina can be a delightful treasure hunt. Here are a few options to consider. Orchid nurseries. These specialized stores often carry a wider variety of orchids, including Phalaenopsis bellina. The staff can also provide valuable care tips. Online retailers. Many online retailers offer a wide selection of orchids, including Phalaenopsis bellina. Just be sure to choose a reputable seller with experience shipping live plants. Garden centers. While the selection might be smaller, some garden centers carry Phalaenopsis bellina. It's worth checking their orchid section, especially during the spring blooming season. Bonus tip: repotting your Phalaenopsis bellina. Over time, the potting medium in your Phalaenopsis bellina might break down. When this happens, repotting is necessary. Look for signs like loose potting mix or roots circling the pot. Repot your orchid into a pot with good drainage using a well-aerated orchid potting mix. The ideal time for repotting is right after flowering. With a little care and attention, your Phalaenopsis bellina will not only grace your home with its captivating beauty, but also fill it with a touch of the tropics through its delightful fragrance. So, why not embark on this fragrant journey and bring a piece of the rainforest into your living space?